At Quantilope, we help brands like yours make confident, data-driven decisions. Our end-to-end consumer intelligence platform provides everything you need to conduct impactful research, all in one place. From setting up and managing projects, to designing your questionnaire, monitoring fieldwork, analyzing results, and reporting on insights. Quantilope streamlines the entire market research process by allowing users to leverage pre-built survey templates, drag-and-drop modules, a library of the largest number of advanced methods, and AI-driven features. Whether you're exploring pricing strategy, testing new packaging designs, evaluating advertising campaigns, or any type of project in between to getting more done, our platform empowers you to conduct research across a wide range of areas, all within a single user-friendly interface. The best part? You don't have to be a research expert to leverage Quantilope's platform or any of its advanced methodologies. Our team of global certified research consultants, along with our integrated AI co-pilot Quinn, are here to provide ongoing strategic guidance and support whenever and however you need. Ready to start exploring the platform that's disrupting the traditional way of market research? Get started with Quantilope today.